Hey guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to make a new category in Steam for your Steam games. So let's get started. Open up your Steam, go to library, and now select games that you want to put in a category. For example, I want to make a shooter category, and let's say I want to put Destiny 2 and Counter-Strike 2 in this category. After I have held Control and selected the games, I right click and I have this option, add selected to a new collection. Let's name it shooters, and you can just, oh, never mind. Okay, just press enter, and now as you can see we have a new category called shooters. You can play around with this, you can rename it, and you can remove it if you want to. Of course you can expand and collapse. It's just pretty much, well, yeah, this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can just remove this, and yeah. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section, and if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.